Hello and good evening. A very warm welcome from the Goa 365 team on this 62nd Independence Day. I'm Marsha D'Souza with this evening's news bulletin. First, the headlines. Independence Day celebrated with great fervour throughout the state. We also have an exclusive interview with the Leader of Opposition, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. We also have views and expressions from a cross-section of people on their perception of 62 years of freedom. Now for the news in detail. The 62nd Independence Day of the country was celebrated with great fervour throughout the state, with the main function being held opposite the historic Adil Shah's Palace at Panjim.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath unfurled the tricolour and after the national anthem was played, inspected the Guard of Honour. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Kamath reiterated his commitment to work for the Aam Aadmi.
सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा आणि सरकार मानता की प्रशासन हे सामान्य लोकांच्या खातीर आसपाक जाय आणि म्हणूनच आज जे कायदे त्या राज्यात आसात हे कायदे सुटसुटीत करपाची गरज आसा निमाणे कायदे हे लोकांच्या बऱ्या खातीर आसपाक जाय आणि म्हणून हे कायदे सुटसुटीत करपा खातीर या कायद्या भितर रिफॉर्म्स हाडपा खातीर गोंय सरकारान गोंय लॉ कमिशन स्थापन करपाचोय निर्णय घेतिल्लो आसा.
He also spoke about the various policies that the state government had drafted to improve the quality of life of the people of Goa.
शिक्षणाचे क्षेत्र हे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे क्षेत्र असे मानतात. शिक्षणाच्या क्षेत्रात एक शैक्षणिक पॉलिसी बरी आसची, एक इंटिग्रेटेड एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी आसची म्हणून सरकारान फक्त एज्युकेशनिस्टाची एक एडवायझरी काउन्सिल केल्ली. संपूर्ण देशात जेन्ना म्हारगाय वाडली तेन्ना एक मागणी येवपाक लागली की खंय तरी सरकारान मिनिमम दरात वस्तू उपलब्ध करून दिवच्यो. ताजेर विचार करून सरकारान गोवा बागायतदार सोसायटी, मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन आणि हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन हांच्या सहकार्यान एक स्कीम तयार केली आणि ही स्कीम आज गोंय राज्यभर राबयली वता. आरोग्य क्षेत्र हे महत्वाचे क्षेत्र असे आम्ही मानतात, ताचो संबंध सामान्य मनशा कडेन जाता आणि म्हणून आरोग्य क्षेत्रात पहिले खेपेक जवळजवळ 21 एम्ब्युलन्सीस EMRI या कंपनीच्या मार्फत सहकार्य करून 15 दिसा भितर संपूर्ण गोंय राज्यात एक बऱ्यांतली बरी इमर्जन्सी एम्ब्युलन्स सर्व्हिस दिवपा खातीर आमचो प्रयत्न आसा.
Mr. Kamath finally stated that Goa has almost reached the pinnacle of development on most parameters and that Goans should now wisely choose what they want.
गोंयची प्रजा आज 4 रस्त्याचेर पाविल्ली आसा आणि गोंयच्या प्रजेक विचार करून निर्णय घेवपाक जाय की आमकां खंयचो रस्तो घेवन मुखार वचपाक जाय. ज्या रस्त्या वेल्यान मुखार गेल्यार गोंय राज्याचो विकास जातलो, गोंय राज्याच्या प्रजेचो विकास जातलो.
On this occasion, the Chief Minister also presented the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service to B.S. Brad, Director General of Police, Ramdas S. Morgaonkar, Honorary Senior Platoon Commander, Home Guards, Uday Shankar Kuttarkar, Honorary Platoon Commander, Home Guards, and Ulas B. Thalwar, Honorary Company Quartermaster, Home Guards.
In Margaon, the PWD Minister Churchill Alimau unfurled the national flag at the Collector's office to mark the Independence Day.
Addressing the gathering, Mr. Alimau appealed to the people of Goa to remain united in order to preserve peace and harmony in the state.
जे आमचे गोंयच्या मुसलमान भावाच्या लागीं मागता तुम्ही एकवट करा, गोंयच्या हिंदू भावाच्या लागीं मागता एकवट करा. क्रिस्तांव भाव आमी जर आमचो एकवट आहा ते एकवटाक लागून आज संवसाराक मानता. आजच्या दिसाक इंडिपेंडन्स डे जाल्यार 61 वर्स जाली गाभार, आज 62 तरी आमी सारखे एक भाव एक पॉइंट गोंयकारांक लावून.
Meanwhile, in another celebration at the Chikali Panchayat in Mormugao Taluka, the Deputy Speaker and Kortali MLA Morvin Godino unfurled the national flag.
Speaking to the assembled gathering, Mr. Godino stressed on the Panchayat's role to bring about development in the state.
जयपुरान आमी मुटा रुरल एरियास गोडी सिटीक तुम्ही लागी आसतले. जयपुरान पंचायत एरियांनी विकास जायना, आमचे गोंय फुडें वचपाक शकना. आनी ते बाबतीन हांव व्हड शाबासकी दिता चिखले पंचायतीन बऱ्यांतले बरें काम तेणी केल्लें आसा. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा एक ना एक दिन बेस्ट पंचायत गोंयान म्हण तें जातलें, कित्याक तेणी ते अर्थान काम केल्लें आसा.
The Deputy Speaker also felicitated Nehal Borkar, the Godfrey Philip Bravery Award winner, on the occasion.
Meanwhile, the Home Minister Ravi Naik unfurled the national flag at the Independence Day celebration held at Kranti Maidan in Ponda and also inspected the ceremonial guard of honor.
Speaking at the function, the Home Minister urged the citizens to remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters.
आमचे नेते जावन गेले, आमचे स्वतंत्र सैनिक हुतात्मे निश्चित लोक जाले सगळ्यांचे, आनी आमचे महान निधन सगळो हेजे त्यागांतून हे मेळ्ळें आसा आमकां. आमी तेंची याद ही सदांच करपाक जाय, तांकां विसरूंक जायना आमी सगळ्यांनी.
We're heading for a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The monsoon session of the State Assembly is slated to begin on Monday, the 18th of August. Speaking to Suhan Karkal, the leader of opposition, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, shared his views on various issues that could be raised for discussion on the floor of the House.
Mr. Parrikar, you have been of late expressing your unhappiness over the short duration that has been allocated for the conduct of these sessions. How do you propose to remedy this?
One is what you lose in space. I think we should be able to collect it back by quality. The 10 days, and we will be insisting that even a private member day should be made into a government working day, because 10 days assembly session and totally 15 days in a year is unacceptable. The assembly should perform at least 40 days, and assembly is actually for any government or ruling party should welcome assembly, because it's one way of controlling bureaucracy indirectly through opposition. You do it by fear of opposition. So this government is scared of its existence. That is why it is holding very small assemblies. But we intend to be very furiously attacking the government on various issues. In fact, 10 days won't be sufficient for issues.
But within the existing frameworks, don't you see any other mechanism to have, a greater duration of time allocated?
No, it is government which has to do this. See, this government worked out a position of the assembly in such a way that there are only 10 days available, because 3rd September is a Ganesh Chaturthi, as you know. So moment 29th is over, 30th, 31st are Saturday and Sunday. First, only one day is available after, and again the budget vote of account is only up to 31st August. So obviously we will have to pass everything. They should have called assembly earlier, maybe 1st of August, maybe 27th. It's supposed to be held for 18 days.